There are moments when work stops feeling like purpose and starts feeling like pressure. You wake up tired before the day even begins, dread meetings that drain your spirit, and feel stuck in routines that no longer inspire you. The thought of quitting crosses your mind, not because your heart feels exhausted and unheard. When frustration builds long enough, walking away can feel like the only way to breathe again. In times like this, the wisdom of Proverbs 16, verse 3, offers a pause. Commit to the Lord whatever you do, and He will establish your plans. God doesn't rush your decisions. He invites you to bring your career, your uncertainty, and your next steps into His presence before making a move driven by emotion alone. There is also direction in Psalm 32, verse 8. I will instruct you and teach you in the way you should go. I will counsel you with my loving eye on you when confusion clouds your choices. God promises guidance not from a distance, but with care and attention. He sees the bigger picture you cannot yet see. And when discouragement whispers that your work has no meaning, remember 1 Corinthians 15, verse 58. Stand firm. Let nothing move you. Always give yourselves fully to the work of the Lord, because you know that your labor in the Lord is not in vain. Even seasons that feel unproductive may be shaping perseverance, wisdom, and character for what comes next. Before you make a decision, bring your frustration to Jesus. Talk to Him about the pressure, the disappointment, and the longing for change. Ask for clarity instead of escape, peace instead of panic, and courage to follow His direction, whether that means staying a little longer or stepping into something new. Jesus understands your expleeds. If you're standing at a crossroads today, pause and pray. Jesus, show me the next step I should take. He is faithful to guide you, one decision at a time.